Hello, 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 and welcome to the third video in answering the test question, what is the volume of the triangular prism that was shown in that first video? So to find the volume of the triangular, say that 5 times fast. Oh, my tongue is swelling up. I can't talk. So to find the volume of a triangular prism, there we go. Oh, I got that out there. We're going to use the formula for the volume of the prism, where we're going to take the area of the base of the shape. The base of this shape is a triangle, right triangle. And we're going to multiply that times the triangular prism's height, which I showed you in the last two videos and all the other videos, is 8. 8. So I want to go step by step. I want to go really, really slow in breaking this down for you. All right. So the volume, or V, is equal to the area of the shape, a triangle, a right triangle. The area of a triangle is 1/2 times the base times the height. The base is 3. The height was 4. All right. So that's the area of the base of this triangular prism. To find the volume, or V, we're going to multiply that value times the triangular prism's height, which was 8. Okay? And I'm going to break this down. First, I'm going to determine what was the area of the triangle. Okay? Then I'm going to multiply that times the height of this prism, which is 8. Which was 8. Okay? So, I like to use invisible ones. Oh, baby. We got a lot of shaking happening here today. I got to apologize for the shaking. I need a new camera. All right. So when we multiply with fractions, we multiply top to top and bottom to bottom. Each of these values, 3 and 4, have a 1 in the denominator's place. So I show by using the dot, dot, dots, an invisible 1. And with fractions, you multiply top, the numerator, and the bottom denominators. So 1 times 3 times 4 is 12. 2 times 1 times 1 is 2. So 12 over 2 is the area of the triangle. Now 12 divided by 2 is 6. I'm going to multiply 6 times the height of that prism, which is 8. So if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, and rewind. Let me show you. So again, 12 divided by 2 is the area of that triangle. I'm going to multiply that times the height, which is 8. Now 12 divided by 2 is 6. So 6 times 8 gives me the volume 48 meters cubed. Meters cubed. Why? Because that would be 3 meters, 3 meters, and 8 would be another 3 meters. You add those invisible ones. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 meters cubed. Okay, I don't want to leave you hanging there, so I want to show you here. So this would be meters. Oh, I need new pens. To the first power, meters to the first power, and meters to the first power, right? And you would add these together. When you multiply, the bases are the same. You add the exponents. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3 meters cubed. So that's the reason why you got meters cubed. The answer is going to be 48 meters cubed, A. The answer is 48 meters cubed, A. So I'm hoping this is helping you out. Let's go ahead and I wasn't as smooth as I like it. But hey, it's what it is, right? I'm going to do my best, the best I can. You want to conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers. You want to know if you're doing it right. If you're doing it right, you just keep doing it. You're doing it right. Get her done. All right? But if you're not doing it right, you want to look at the answers to know why. Okay? You're going to want to go back and determine reasons why you made a mistake. Listen, we all make mistakes. I make mistakes. You see all the whiteout on my papers? Oh my gosh. And I know what I'm doing. So find your mistake, learn from it, don't do it again. All right, conduct an internet search for worksheets with answers on finding volume of shapes, finding area of shapes, understanding square units of measurement versus cubic units of measurement. Find the differences of area versus the volume, right? You want to understand area versus volume formulas, right? You want to be able to simplify problems with substitution property. That's substituting values into a formula. And of course, you can always watch any and all of my videos. I strongly suggest watching my Invisible Ones videos, also my exponential power videos. They will help you a great deal. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Hey, take it step by step. Practice, make a mistake, learn from it, get better, and better. Trust me, you can do this. Don't give up. Keep working hard. Keep an eye out for future videos. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step.